What's up? Hey, y'all. Dominoes 7 here. With my mask on. And as some of you already know, that I'm not at home, okay? I'm in Kenner, y'all. If y'all look around, the casino's right down the street right there, okay? I'm gonna head home in a few, okay? Yes, indeed. I haven't been in Kenner in so long. I love this place, you know? Yes, I love Kenner, you know? So, yeah, vlog with my mask on because it's still COVID season, you know. So, so based on what the heck is is that sun in y'all face? All right, that sun in y'all face. All right. I don't know if y'all watching me on the TV, on your computer, or on your phone, or your iPad or whatever. Okay, I'm standing out the sun though, and Ryan's the Golden Corral is right down the street, y'all. Okay, so yes, indeed, it feels good to be out here. I wish I can taste that air, but I can't taste it right now, you know, because of the COVID, you know, COVID-18, no COVID-20, COVID-19. Let me stop kidding around, okay? Yeah, like I said, this COVID is not a joke. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling y'all now, COVID-19, this corona is not a joke. You know, I gotta get on the bus, try to social distance and stuff like that. So what next, y'all? Okay, all right. So I just came from the store, you know, the game store. Okay, okay, and you know, I don't know when I'm gonna upload this, so I'm not gonna tell y'all. Okay, and you know, I don't know if my cousin Reginald is gonna watch this or what. But let me show y'all what I got. Look at this. I'll take the stick off one day. Hey, you know, I never even heard of this game. Drag racing countdown to the the championship. I never heard of that. Well, so somebody had this. I guess my cousin Elton had the Sega Sports Dreamcast. World Series Baseball 2K1. Yeah. So let me put that in the bag. Back in the bag. I only have two hands, ladies and gentlemen. I wish I wish to God that I had YouTube Live though. I need more and more and more and more subscribers. You know. Yes I did. I did indeed. Yes I do. I don't know what I'm saying. You know. Can y'all hear me with this mask on? I'm certain y'all can. Okay. All right. So I'm a I'm gonna go vlog at the airport, and then I'm gonna ride the veterans bus to downtown New Orleans. So I'm depends on how long the veterans bus be. You know, sometimes the veterans bus meet with the Kenner Loop. You know, again the casino is right down the street, y'all. Okay, yeah. So I know y'all. I mean, this ain't Party City, you know. You know. Oh, y'all eyes is bothering y'all, huh? All right, y'all. Don't curse at me, y'all. Okay. And if y'all watching me on YouTube, I guess y'all already watched it already. You know. Okay. Fire truck, y'all. Fire trucks or in a limousine. Yep, pulling in there, you know. But honestly, oh look, an airplane, y'all. All right, let me do y'all see that airplane in the sky? All right. Yeah. Y'all look at that. Uh-huh. Yep. All right, y'all. So, got my games, got everything I need. Well, not everything I need. So, I'm gonna try to vlog whenever I vlog, okay? So I don't know when this episode gonna go on YouTube, you know? Okay. Yep. I'm waiting on the bus. Kenner Loop. The loop de loop. That's what it is, you know. And Ranisha's watching right now, you know. So, but I can't but I can't bring her on camera right now. She probably don't want to join the interview or whatnot. But she have to wait until I either at my house or if I was by Randy, she would really won't want to talk to Randy, you know. Yes, indeed. Yeah, I miss Ranisha a little bit. Well, y'all never seen her before. I don't even know if she would ever want to be on the show or not. I doubt it. I wish she would be on the damn show. Huh. Like those times I refused to talk to her or whatnot, you know. Well, look at the sun, y'all. Stare at the sun. Yeah, I'm blinding y'all. I'm blinding y'all, okay? Yeah, I was blinding y'all, huh? Getting on your nerves? Okay. Bye, fools. All right. Well, not everybody. I'm just kidding. All right. I'll talk to y'all when I get to the airport. If the bus if the veterans bus don't be there, okay?